How do you change a light fitting safely? Well, the thing is, there's quite a few issues with changing a light fitting that a lot of people don't actually realise. So it's not just a matter of swapping them over and putting another one back on. There's things you have to be careful of. The wiring is routed in a quite compact space inside of that fitting. And first of all, you have to be careful not to catch any of that when you're putting it back together. The other thing is, that can, even if it's just slightly snagged, can cause nuisance tripping, and it can even cause fire hazards. Nuisance tripping is when it slightly scuffed the cable when it hadn't been put back right, and that caused it to trip as well. The other thing is the actual wiring. It's a very common mistake, this one, and I get a lot of people call up and say, my husband's just tried to change this light fitting, he's put it back exactly as it was and it's not working. So maybe the rest of the house isn't working, or that one's stopped, or even worse, it's tripping when you try and switch it on. These are common faults, but it's not because someone doesn't know what they're doing, it's just because there is a knack to it. And so in summary, if you're not sure and you think one of these things might cause you an issue, you're better off to just get it done by an electrician. You'll do it like that quickly, and it won't be as much as you think, especially if you get other jobs done at the same time.